Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to get hardware and system information using Python scripting language. For example, which types of hardware I am using in this particular operating system. No matter for Mac operating system, Linux or Windows, you can use same process any operating system. With the help of Python scripting language, generate the system information. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your Jupyter notebook. Otherwise, you can use whatever you want. My location, original, and I save this file. How to get hardware and software information. First of all, install one package, and this package name is pip install supul, and then execute. I already installed, but you can install this package and implement now code. So here import, execute. So now again import platform, execute. You can type same code and the single row also, but I always check as a line by line, so that's why I'm typing as a separate. Suppose for example in this particular sentence I got the error, so very easily to find this error and solve the problem. From date time, import date time means which date I purchased the system or which date I install the new operating system in this particular operating system. Now time to start the program. Here print in function double quote equals to, I design one line, multiply 40 times, comma, again double quote, and then type here system information. After single quote again double quote, and then equals to, and then here again multiply by 40 times. After execution, so this line look like this table format, and then I type here username equals to platform from dot username and the function, and the execute work, and then type here print function in bracket f and double quote, and then type here system colon opening and closing curly bracket inside username dot system, what exactly username in the system, and the double quote is complete, and then enter. So execute this one. So this username is this one. So now I copy this line and paste this node name, release date, version and machine. I change node name, and then accordingly copy this one and you change like that way. Again here release the date, and then version, what exactly versions are there, and then machine, type your machine. So now code is finished. So now execute. So what exactly output I receive in this after finish the code. So perfect. This device name is Darwin, node name is my Sing MacBook Pro local. This device is local, release 19.5.0, release date, the particular operating system, and the version Darwin kernel version 19.5.0, Thursday May 26 20, and this time P2020 root, and some release date are there, and then which types of machines is there. This machine is 64-bit and processor i386. This is a processor. This is my operating system. You can use this code and find out exactly which operating system you are using. You can find the exact information which types of hardware and system you are using with the help of just only 5 to 6 line code and one library using Python scripting language. You can try such kind of code, get the information and build your programming skill. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.